this is Mr. Rector. Today we're going to do labs for you that we couldn't do in person. So each one of us is going to demonstrate one of the labs that you would have done in our physical chemical changes lab. And then questions are going to pop up for you to answer if that was a physical or chemical change. So each person is probably going to have a couple of changes, and make sure you remember a chemical change, a new substance is going to be created, but a physical change, the substance stays the same, it just might change form somehow. Good luck.
Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Warren, goggled up and masked up because we're in school this week. I'm going to light a candle, I'm going to light the wick with a flame, and then I'm going to put a piece of candle into a test tube that's being heated. So let's see what happens. One of these is a chemical change, one of them is a physical change. Are they both chemical? Are they both physical? Does my lighter work? So it didn't take long. You can see what happened to the piece of candle that got put into the test tube. And then this is going to take a little longer because candles work the way candles work, but slowly but surely we will see something happening.
Hey guys, Miss Starnes here. I got my goggles, got my mask. I have a water bottle because I am going to be using a flame. I need to be safe. I'm going to show you a couple of changes today, and then you're going to reflect on those changes to me. The first being that I'm going to use this piece of paper. I'm going to tear this piece of paper. That is a type of change. What type of change is it? Next, I'm going to take this piece of paper. I'm going to hold it with tongs because I'm going to get flames, and I don't want flames in hands and all that good stuff. I'm going to use crucible tongs. Remember those types of tongs? I'm going to hold it away from my body. I'm going to catch it on fire. What type of change is this? I'm going to put it out here because that, oh gosh, okay.
Coach Edney here. I'm going to keep thinking about those physical and chemical changes and things to look for in the lab. I'm going to notice we've got two different liquids here. They're both clear. This one is water, and we've got silver nitrate over here on my left. So I'm going to take the sodium chloride and put a microspatula scoop in there, maybe. There we go. Notice I've got a solid there. Putting it in, going to shake it up. Think about what's changing there, okay? Notice I had to put a solid in a liquid. Okay, now I'm going to add the two liquids together and think about what should happen here, or what is happening.
Well, this is Mr. Reynolds, and we're looking at chemical or physical changes, and what we have here is some 6 molar hydrochloric acid, okay, a little bit of that, and about a centimeter of magnesium ribbon, okay. I've got 2 of these, and I'm gonna drop these in here, and again, we're looking at physical or chemical changes, okay. If there's rearrangement of atoms, tremendous energy is coming off when they break the bonds. So let's have a look. Ooh. And it's getting hotter also. Smoke is coming off. There's a lot of bubbling going on. In fact, I don't really want to touch it again. So our Adams rearranging or not? I'm kind of leaning that direction. So,
Hi, this is Mr. Actor. Got a couple reactions for you here for you to determine if they're chemical or physical changes. Today's are a little bit tricky. So, I'm going to start with this copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. Now, penta means 5 and hydrate means water. So if you look at these, they're blue crystals. And the formula for this, you have a copper sulfate ion, and then it's surrounded by 5 water molecules. So, copper sulfate pentahydrate. Now, I'm going to take these crystals and I'm going to use my mortar and pestle and grind them up. So, what kind of change is happening here as I turn them from those blue chunky crystals into a blue powder? That's change number 1. Now, for change number 2, I'm going to take the blue powder, put it into this test tube, use my test tube holders and my Bunsen burner to heat it. And this might take a minute. And if you watch closely, you'll see it getting lighter in color. Just for sake of time, since you can see it's turning white, I'll go from here. So what's happened, we've had a color change. You can see steam or something coming out of the top. Now, let's think real hard about this one. Do you think this was a chemical change or a physical change? The color has definitely changed. There's something coming off the top. You can even see water droplets forming up there. So it almost looks like water coming off of it, right? So is it chemical or physical? Let's put some water back in and see what happens. So if I add water to it, it goes back to being blue again. So it started off blue crystals like this. When I heated it, it became this, and then we put water back. Chemical or physical change? Good luck.